2017 MTV Movie and TV Awards by the numbers. 1. This marks the very first combination award show for the network, teaming both TV and movie honors. Also at number 1 is Adam Devine. This is his first major hosting gig. 2. There are two Emmas duking it out for top awards. Emma Watson and Emma Stone are both up for Best Kiss, Watson for Beauty and the Beast and Stone for La La Land. There are 5 nominations up for Best Kiss: Moonlight, La La Land, Beauty and the Beast, Empire, and Mike and Dave Need Wedding Dates. 3. Atlanta, Game of Thrones, Hidden Figures, Logan, Moonlight, and This Is Us all received a total of 3 nominations. 4. Beauty and the Beast and Stranger Things received 4 nominations apiece, including honors like Best Hero and Best Actor. 6. Get Out has the most nominations with 6 total: Best Duo, Best Comedic Performance, Best Fight Against the System, Movie of the Year, Daniel Kaluuya for Best Actor in a Movie, and Allison Williams for Best Villain.